So today we are going to see the lateral aspect of skull. So this is temporal region, and below this zygomatic process this is infratemporal region. Both these regions communicate with each other deep to zygomatic arch. So in the temporal region, this is superior temporal line, and below it is the inferior temporal line. This superior temporal line gives attachment to temporal fascia, and inferior temporal line gives attachment to the fan shaped muscle of mastication, which is temporalis. This muscle originates from this area, goes and insert on the coronoid process of mandible. So to see the infratemporal fossa, now we will separate the mandible from the skull. So this is infratemporal fossa. Lateral wall of infratemporal fossa is formed by the ramus of mandible, which we have separated. So anterior wall of infratemporal fossa is formed by, this is maxilla bone, posterior aspect of body of maxilla. This is medial wall, which is formed by lateral pterygoid plate, part of sphenoid bone. Now between this medial wall and anterior wall, you will be able to see a fissure through which I am now putting this probe. This is pterygomaxillary fissure. So this is pterygomaxillary fissure. Now this is the roof of infratemporal fossa. Between the roof and the anterior wall, this fissure is inferior orbital fissure, and this fissure communicate infratemporal fossa with the orbit. So this is inferior orbital fissure from where the probe is coming out. Now roof of infratemporal fossa is formed by greater wing of sphenoid, and in the greater wing of sphenoid there is foramen ovale through which this infratemporal fossa communicate with the middle cranial fossa. So this is foramen ovale. Posteriorly it is formed by mastoid process, styloid process and carotid sheath. Inferiorly floor is open. That is about infratemporal fossa.